These are the swatches. This is one set, and this is the second set of swatches. So you can see both hands. Those are the swatches from this palette. This palette right here, the Jamrock No Limitation by Plain Makeup by Orlando. This is the complete palette right here. And these are the colors. So I swatch them so you can see. End of July, shop my stash. Those colors are pretty. If you ever get a chance to get it, you should. They're mixtures of shimmers. There are no glitters in here. Shimmers, foils, satins. They are really, really nice. Complete palette.